Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news markets are struggling to make sense of a global economy buffeted by many unusual forces. First, Russia has formalised its shutdown of oil and gas supplies to Europe, and that is driving a scramble to activate other sources. Then in the US, Apple and Google say they are to slow their hiring intentions, signals that are more news than substance, but ones that are reverberating in markets. And Microsoft is making job adjustments too, but plans new hiring increases. And US home builders are glum, seeing demand leak away as house prices have to rise on rising costs and buyers afraid of higher mortgage interest rates. This is despite their new home sales running ahead of pre-pandemic levels, just not at the unusual levels they enjoyed during the pandemic. And Canada's June housing starts came in slightly better than expected, but slightly less than for May, and they were 1.6% lower than year-ago levels. In China, the city of Beijing is issuing $25 billion of helicopter coupons to try and lure diners back to restaurants. Beijing is just one of 20 cities attempting the restart move. And these are necessary because of a sharp turn to risk-off consumer sentiment there. Banks have been told to limit trading in gold as consumers rush for the safe haven. And Singapore delivered better than expected export results. That's for June, which were up 9% over the year-ago levels. And here's something you don't see every day. A listed company posted a profit of $200 million in 2021 and will post a profit of $3 billion in 2022, a more than 10 times rise. The company is Whitehaven Coal on the ASX. Record high prices and limited global supplies for its products have seen its share price rise from $2.12 a year ago to $5.90 today. And the states want in. Queensland has already instituted a windfall profits royalty on such miners, and New South Wales is considering the same. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 2.96% and up 3 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will open today at $1,711 an ounce, which is $2 firmer than this time yesterday. And oil prices are up $3.50 at just over $98.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is up even more at $102.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today back down to yesterday's level at 61.6 US cents after a temporary spurt higher on the CPI news. And against the Australian dollar, we're down to 90.3 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're also down to 60.7 euro cents. That means our trade weight index starts today at just under 70.6. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.